Numeracy, mathematics, three-dimensional space, and volume and capacity. Our learning intention today is that we will be learning to investigate and represent three-dimensional objects using drawings. Our success criteria today is that we will be able to identify if an object is 2D or 3D, name and label 3D objects including their properties. The daily review. We will add to this list as the unit goes on. Feel free to note down in your scrapbook or on your Google Doc these definitions. It'll come in handy for later lessons. Identifying the difference between 2D shapes and 3D objects. 2D shapes are flat and only have two dimensions, height and length. I wonder what 2D shapes you can see around your room at the moment. 3D shapes or objects are tangible and have an extra dimension, width. Tangible means you can hold them. I wonder what 3D objects you can hold up and recognize the width and height and length in. Identifying the difference between 2D shapes and 3D objects. Two-dimensional shapes have only two properties, sides and corners. Three-dimensional objects have three properties, faces, edges, and vertices. Please watch this video on the I do part of our numeracy lesson, that is labeling properties of 3D objects. Good afternoon, students. Next, watch the we do part of our numeracy lesson, the labeling of properties of 3D objects. Your independent task or activity. Look for 3D objects around your home and identify what 3D object it is, as well as its properties. For example, I put my reading book down. I know that it's a rectangular prism. I know that it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. You might know some objects just sitting around you that you could note down. If you don't know their 3D object, give it a go. And when we do figure it out later, you could come back and fix it up. Good luck, students.